Morning, friends. It is your friend in flowers, Lisa Mason Ziegler, and I'm coming with a little reminder and an invitation for you if you haven't already accepted it. Are you going to be hanging with me tomorrow for the live free masterclass on when do you plant cool flowers? You'll be meeting me right here in the studio, 2 p.m. Eastern time if you're registered. And we are going to work through that little PDF worksheet that you get when you register. And we're going to pinpoint your optimal planting windows. We're going to do that together. And then we're also going to head into which cool flowers do you plant in which optimal planting window, right? So you can comment spring here and that'll DM you the link. You can go to my website. It's at the top of every page. And don't miss this opportunity. I'm addressing in this live webinar the questions that we get over and over and over again. And I totally get it. Cool season hardy annuals, which are the biggest bang for your buck in spring, have awkward planting times when we think of the general gardening world, right? And that's why we either struggle or we just say they don't grow for us. And it's all about our timing. And friends, that's what we're gonna nail together in this live webinar. So you can comment spring and it will DM you the link to sign up. And I just hope you're gonna be there. This is really a big deal for me. You know, I love teaching. Cool Flowers is what I launched my flower farming career on 26 years ago. And one of the things that I didn't realize then, but looking back now, I can see how it ushered me into such quick success, is I launched my flower farm on this group of flowers. I did a fall garden, spring blooming. I walked into that first flower shop when they were busting busy. That is natural for spring in all markets. And this group of flowers, most of them bloom in spring. And friends, if you want to have a flower farming business, and I have no hoop and greenhouses, by the way. I do all of this outdoors in the field. So let's find when you plant cool season hardy annuals, AKA cool flowers, in your garden, because I would just love for us to do this together. So sign up and join me Monday, 2 p.m. Eastern time, but you have to register to get the link, get the PDF. And if you don't know the answer to the 3 little questions that I asked you to get the information for before the master class, I tell you where to get the info, y'all. So this is like gonna be the guiding light for cool flowers for you. It's like the beacon of the whole process. And I just hope you're gonna join me. And so what do you think about our new set? It's pretty beautiful, isn't it? So join me live tomorrow. It's free. And this is for you, friends. If you've been struggling or if you think cool flowers don't grow where you are, I have news that everybody can grow cool flowers, unless maybe you live in tropical South America, potentially. Everybody pretty much can grow cool flowers. It's that we all plant them on different timing, and that's what we're gonna figure out tomorrow together live. Sign up, check the email, print the 1-page PDF, answer those 3 questions, show up tomorrow, and we'll do it together, friends. All right, folks, till we meet tomorrow, remember you can comment spring here in the comments and that'll DM you the link, or you can find the link at the top of every page over at thegardenersworkshop.com. All right, friends, ciao.